How to delete Messenger account. So if you want to delete your Messenger account, then first of all, let me tell you one thing, that you can't simply delete your Messenger account without deleting your Facebook account. So first you have to delete your Facebook account. So to delete, first open up your Facebook application and then go for the upper right corner which has that three-barred icon, and simply go for settings and privacy, and then again go for settings, and now go for account center which is on the first option, and then go for personal details, and here you will have account ownership and control. Tap on that and then go for deactivation or deletion, and from here choose your Facebook account and then tap on delete account and then continue, and you have to choose a reason why you want to delete your account, and after choosing a reason tap on continue and then continue, and now scroll down and go for continue, and now you have to enter your password, and after entering your password you can simply tap on continue and your account will be deleted. So after deleting your Facebook account, your Messenger account will automatically be deleted, so you don't need to worry about that. So that's it. That's how you delete your Facebook Messenger account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.